Alright, y'all, so this is another update on the channel. Today I'm going to trade my tires, and I'll show y'all what I get when I get home. I got all the cash right here. And there's 100 in there somewhere. But I'll let y'all know when we're leaving and when we're going to get them, and I'll show y'all when we get them. So yeah, y'all be ready for that. I'm just finishing rinsing these off one last time. Telling them my final goodbyes. Thinking about all the good times I had on them, man. Remember how proud of myself I was when I got these. I mean, a great thing on the channel. Outlaw 3, you definitely recommend it. Plan on running it again one day, just bigger probably. Or on another unit. Yeah, I would definitely recommend them. Especially if you like water and mud ride and you want a decent riding tire. They actually ride pretty decent. They kind of bouncy at the start, but they'll get going good. But yeah, I love these tires, man. But it's my last day with them, so I'm gonna finish washing them. Actually got the new setup. I'm so hyped, dude. We just traded. I had to add some cash, but it was worth it, dude. Look at this. I'm just ready to get these things bolted up on the 420 when it gets back. But right here, they're 32s, by the way. 32s, Aztecs on a MSA M20. They're SRA wheels made for straight axle. These things are mean. They're gonna ride a lot better than the Outlaw 3s, so I can already tell. We just traded them. Shout out to him for trading, so yeah.